Hi, my name is Alex. In this video, I'm going to talk about use cases of 8 ChatGPT plugins. You need to upgrade to Plus to install ChatGPT plugins. Instructions to install plugins are provided in the video link shown at the end of this video. Let's start. AI Extensions. The AI Extensions plugin for ChatGPT is a versatile tool designed to expand the capabilities of the base ChatGPT model. It caters to the needs of users looking to integrate AI-powered conversational capabilities into various platforms and applications. With a range of features like platform integrations, domain-specific models, multilingual support, and more, the plugin allows developers and businesses to harness the power of AI in a more targeted and efficient manner. AI Extensions plugin use cases might be 1. Platform integration. Allow ChatGPT to be integrated into various platforms like WordPress, Shopify, etc., enabling users to easily add conversational AI capabilities to their websites. 2. Enhanced UI. Introduce customizable chat interfaces, allowing users to design the user experience as per their brand or requirements. 3. Domain-specific models. Load specific extensions that are trained for niches like legal, medical, or technical support. This could give more accurate answers in specialized fields. 4. Multilingual support. Extensions that allow ChatGPT to function optimally in different languages, translating on the fly or giving culturally relevant answers. 5. Task automation. Integrate with tools or platforms to not only answer questions but to perform actions, for example, linking with a ticketing system to create support tickets or with a calendar to schedule appointments. 6. Data analytics. Collect and analyze user interaction data, providing insights into frequently asked questions, user satisfaction, etc. 7. Security features. Enhancements for data privacy, ensuring encrypted communications and compliance with regulations like GDPR. AI Gift Finder. The AI Gift Finder plugin for ChatGPT transforms your gift shopping experience. By harnessing the power of advanced machine learning, it provides personalized and thoughtful gift suggestions tailored to your needs. Whether you're searching based on an event, budget, or the recipient's personality, the AI Gift Finder seamlessly integrates with e-commerce platforms, offering immediate purchase options. Dive into a hassle-free, intuitive, and delightful gift-finding journey, ensuring you always find the perfect present for your loved ones. AI Gift Finder use cases might be 1. Personalized recommendations. Based on user input or questions, the AI could suggest gifts tailored to the recipient's tastes, age, interests, etc. 2. Budget filters. Users could specify a price range, and the AI would provide gift suggestions within that budget. 3. Event-based suggestions. The plugin could provide gift suggestions based on specific events like birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, etc. 4. Integration with e-commerce. Direct links or integration with e-commerce platforms, so users can directly purchase the recommended gifts. 5. Trend analysis. Using real-time data, the plugin could suggest trending or popular gifts in certain categories. 6. Review and rating analysis. The AI could pull in reviews or ratings of products and suggest top-rated gifts. 7. Gift wrapping and delivery options. Provide information or options for gift wrapping, personalized messages or delivery choices based on the e-commerce platform's capabilities. 8. Question-based filtering. The AI could ask a series of questions about the gift recipient to refine the recommendations. AI News Roundup. The AI News Roundup plugin for ChatGPT revolutionizes the way you consume news. With its cutting-edge algorithms, it curates, summarizes, and presents the most relevant news tailored to your preferences. Whether you're keen on global events, tech innovations, or local happenings, the plugin ensures you're always in the know. Integrated fact-checking and historical context features ensure not just timely, but also accurate and comprehensive news updates. Easily integrate it with your blog or website, offering your readers a seamless and informative experience. Dive into the future of news consumption with AI News Roundup. AI News Roundup use cases might be 1. Automated news summaries. Pull news from various sources and generate concise summaries for users interested in specific topics. 2. Topic filtering. Users can specify areas of interest, for example, AI, finance, sports, and receive news specifically curated to those topics. 3. Trending stories. Identify and present the most popular or trending news stories based on user preferences or global interest. 4. Historical context. When presenting news, provide historical context or reference previous related news for better understanding. 5. Fact-checking. Link news stories with fact-checking sources or provide a credibility score based on the originating source. 6. Push notifications. For users who want to stay updated, they can receive periodic notifications of top stories or breaking news. 7. Localized news. Offer news tailored to the user's geographical location or regions of interest. 8. Integration with blogs or websites. Owners of blogs or websites can use the plugin to automatically curate and present relevant news stories to their readers. Please note that the actual use cases and description of all the plugins in this video may differ, as it could have been developed with specific functionalities in mind. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about the plugin, it's best to refer to official documentation or the platform where ChatGPT is being offered. Quest. Embark on a journey of endless possibilities with the AI Quest plugin for ChatGPT. Whether you're diving into epic tales, exploring new learning horizons, or facing business simulations, AI Quest crafts immersive experiences tailored to your desires. Its dynamic story generation ensures every quest is unique, while its integration capabilities make it a valuable tool for game developers, educators, and businesses. Dive into worlds unknown, face challenges, make choices, and discover new paths, all powered by the advanced algorithms of AI Quest. Your adventure awaits. AI Quest use cases might be 1. Interactive storytelling. Users can participate in AI-generated adventures, making decisions that influence the story's outcome. 2. Educational modules. Engage in quests that teach specific subjects, offering a fun and interactive way to learn. 3. Gaming. Integration. Game developers can use it to generate side quests or dialogues for NPCs, non-playable characters, in real time. 4. Training scenarios. Businesses can simulate situations where employees make decisions, helping them train for real-world scenarios. 5. Product exploration. Companies can engage customers by taking them on a quest to explore the features and benefits of a product. 6. Personal development. Users can embark on quests that challenge them to achieve certain tasks or goals, offering motivation and tracking. 7. Content creation. Authors or creators can use the tool to brainstorm and generate plot ideas, characters, and more. 8. Event simulation. Simulate potential future scenarios based on user input, like business decisions or investment choices. AI Tool Hunt. Navigate the vast landscape of software and tools with ease using the AI Tool Hunt plugin for ChatGPT. Whether you're an individual seeking the best graphic design software or a business looking for industry-specific tools, AI Tool Hunt has you covered. Its advanced algorithms curate and recommend tools based on your specific needs, budget, and preferences. Integrated user reviews, comparison features, and tutorial links ensure that you make informed decisions. Stay ahead of the curve, optimize costs, and find the perfect tools for any task with AI Tool Hunt. AI Tool Hunt use cases might be 1. Software recommendations. Users seeking tools for specific tasks, for example, graphic design, data analysis, can receive AI-curated suggestions. 2. Comparison features. Compare multiple software or tools based on features, price, user reviews, and more. 3. Integration assistance. For developers looking to integrate various tools, the AI can suggest compatible software or APIs. 4. Trending tools. Stay updated on the latest and most popular tools in specific industries or sectors. 5. User reviews and ratings. Pull in user reviews and ratings to provide a comprehensive overview of each tool. 6. Cost optimization. For businesses, the AI can suggest the most cost-effective tools based on the required features. 7. Tutorial links. For recommended tools, the plugin can also provide links to tutorials, documentation, or courses. 8. Custom tool creation. If existing tools do not meet user needs, the AI might suggest developers or platforms where custom tools can be created. AI with Jira. AI with Jira plugin for ChatGPT supercharges your Jira experience, integrating cutting-edge AI capabilities to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Whether it's prioritizing a massive backlog, classifying tickets, or predicting project delays, the plugin uses intelligent analysis to provide insights and automations. Benefit from predictive analytics, reduce manual triaging, and enjoy a more organized and efficient project management experience. AI with Jira ensures your teams can focus on what they do best, with AI handling the complexities behind the scenes. AI with Jira use cases might be 1. Issue prioritization. Analyze the urgency, impact, and other parameters of reported issues to automatically prioritize them in the backlog. 2. Ticket classification. Automatically classify and tag tickets based on the content of the ticket, streamlining the triaging process. 3. Predictive analytics. Predict potential bottlenecks or delays in the project timeline based on past data and current progress. 4. Automated responses. Provide automated first-level responses to frequently asked questions or common issues reported by users. 5. Trend analysis. Identify recurring issues or challenges in projects and suggest preventive measures. 6. Resource allocation. Analyze current workloads and project requirements to suggest optimal allocation of resources. 7. Time estimation. Based on historical data, the AI can offer more accurate estimations for task completion. 8. Intelligent search. Enhance the Jira search functionality with AI-driven search results that understand context and relevance. AI to SQL. AI to SQL is a revolutionary plugin for ChatGPT, designed to bridge the complex world of databases with the simplicity of natural language. By harnessing the power of advanced AI algorithms, AI to SQL transforms intuitive language-based questions into precise SQL queries. It's tailored for those who want immediate insights from their data without the barrier of intricate SQL syntax. From business analysts to students, AI to SQL offers a seamless and efficient way to explore and interact with databases, making data retrieval as simple as asking a question. AI to SQL use cases might be 1. Natural language queries. Users can extract data from databases by merely posing questions in their natural language, removing the need for technical SQL expertise. 2. Database structure exploration. Get a grasp of a database's architecture by making queries like, which tables are in the database? Or, detail the relationships between the tables. 3. Dynamic reporting. Generate instant reports based on current data by asking specific questions, negating the need for predefined or hard-coded reports. 4. Data insights and analysis. Extract insights from large datasets by asking questions such as, how many products were sold in July? Or, which product category performed the best last quarter? 5. Database administration tasks. Administer databases by making requests like, list users with editing privileges, or show tables taking up the most storage. 6. Educational use. Serve as an invaluable tool for SQL learners, helping them correlate natural language questions with their corresponding SQL queries. 7. Integration into BI platforms. Enhance business intelligence tools by integrating a natural language query interface, making data querying more user-friendly. AIMaster. AIMaster is an advanced plugin tailored for ChatGPT, designed to elevate AI interactions to new heights. It's equipped with enhanced learning algorithms, context understanding, and a plethora of new functionalities. By leveraging AIMaster, users experience a richer, more insightful interaction, making the AI a true master in understanding and generating content. Whether you're a business professional, an educator, or an AI enthusiast, AIMaster transforms ChatGPT into a more robust, adaptive, and smarter companion. Use cases 1. Deep contextual understanding. AIMaster would have a more profound understanding of extended user conversations, enabling more nuanced and context-aware responses. 2. Advanced topic modeling. For research or knowledge exploration, the AI would identify and provide deep dives into various subjects based on user prompts. 3. Customizable interaction styles. Users can tailor the AI's interaction style, whether they want it to speak like Shakespeare or emulate a specific personality. 4. Adaptive learning mode. Based on repeated interactions, AIMaster would identify user preferences and adapt its responses accordingly for a personalized experience. 5. Integrated knowledge expansion. It could pull real-time data or updates from approved sources to provide the most current information on various subjects. 6. Enhanced multi-language support. AIMaster would offer superior translation and multi-language interaction capabilities, making it a truly global AI companion. 7. Interactive tutorials. For users keen on learning new subjects, the AI could offer step-by-step tutorials and adaptive quizzes, adjusting the difficulty based on user progress. 8. Business insights and analysis. For professionals, it could provide deeper insights, trend analysis, and projections based on provided data. If you would like to know how to install plugins, then please click on the link above. To find out use cases for other plugins, please click on the relevant video above. Thanks for watching.